It's a perfect situation to make musical sounds.
Hello, this is Liz. Welcome to Fabric Friday. You can't have treat time without buying fabric. I can't anyway. There's not that much here, but because there's not that much, they're unwanted. It is opened. I've gone through it to see and make sure everything is here all right. Put it around now and we'll empty it. This is about 5 meters of 2-ounce wadding batting polyester, and I need that for some other projects I've got in mind. And body bag, empty box. So here it is. It isn't much, but let's just dive in and see what I've got. This is just some plain fabric, thin but stretch, so I can make some ski pants out of it, a top, whatever. And it was going fairly cheap, wasn't it? Yes, very cheap. At £1.75 a metre. So I've had 6 meters of it. It's very thin, but I'll be able to do a complete outfit for me with a cardigan for £10.50. Oh no, sorry. I've got that totally wrong. This, they're selling off at £1.50 a metre. So I've had 6 meters of it. You can see there. And that's cost me £9, but I'll get a complete full outfit out of that, possibly a t-shirt for Lurch as well. This is a lovely, I'm in a blue face, I think. I've never really been out of it, but a lovely sort of flowery quilting weight, so that'll do me for patchwork. And I've had 3 meters of that. They're also selling it at £1.50 a metre. So I had 3 meters, which became £4.50. This is white organdy fabric. I know it's very, very see-through, but this they're selling off cheap at how much? £1 a metre. So I thought I'll try it and have a go and use it as insect netting on my plants. So that's why I bought it, only a metre of it, to try it out. This is plain white muslin fabric. Now I need some for when I strain jelly, jams, I'm making strain the fruit out. And this will do very well. I had a look first of all on eBay and do it like £3 just for a small square, which is fat quarter size more or less. And I thought, I bet I could do better than that. And I have. This is a total of 3 meters, and they're selling it at £2 a metre. So I've got, it's £6 for all this, and it'll do me for the jams, jellies. I'm making my own kefir cheese as well that I need to strain, so that is with its weight in gold, I think. This is a lovely paisley print, and it's also for quilting, a bit more expensive at £2.50 a metre, but that's quite a nice pattern. I do like it, but that'll do for a quilt. This, I quite liked it, and it is stretch fabric, so I can make leggings out of it, whatever. And I've got 2 meters of that, so we'll definitely do a pair of leggings for me, or ski pants, because I have to have over a meter, because my height, I've got very long legs. This is called Bright Floral on a mint. It's a bit too orangey for my liking now. I'm seeing it here, but I'll possibly be able to put it in a quilt. Well, I probably will do, because that's what I bought it for. But this is cheap as well, £1.95 a metre, and I've had 2 meters of it. This I quite like the look of. Nice big paisleys on black, and I got 2 meters of that in black and 2 meters in the blue, and they're like £5 a metre, £5 altogether, because I had 2 meters of each. This one, I have got some similar to this already, but I quite liked it, and again they're selling it cheap, £2.75 a metre, so £5.50. I could get myself a dress out of that, or a few tops, or whatever. This, I wasn't too sure about it, but could get some tops and shorts. It's nice, thin, lightweight. Do me for some of that though. This one, another quilting one. Again, flowers. I'm definitely going in for on my flower stage, I think. Another floral paisley, but this one is in quilting cotton weight, whereas the other one wasn't. That was more of a viscose that you have for a top, so I could actually put this in a quilt. And I've also got it in this red burgundy, and they were selling that, ooh, more expensive, £3.95 a metre, so I only had one of each. And this is some upholstery fabric, but it's a lovely pattern design on it, gold embossed. I want to make like a chair arm cover, and so I've only had a metre of it, but again that's £3.50, so that's my little treat haul. Thank you, bye.
It's a perfect situation.